Tata cars have been making headlines when it comes to crash safety. While the crash test results for the most of the brand's model are already in, the Harrier and Safari yet to be crash tested by Global NCAP. Now a new report from TeamBhp claims that both SUVs will be tested by Global NCAP later this year. The Indian carmaker is said to be making some changes to its production line ahead of these crash tests. Global NCAP has evaluated Tata's entire product range except for the Harrier and Safari. More recently, the Tata Punch was also given a 5-star safety rating. However, the Nexon was the brand's first model to receive the 5 stars. Among the hatchbacks, the Altroz has received 5-star safety rating, while the Tiago secured 4 stars. The Tigor and Tigor EV were also awarded 4-star rating as well. Coming again to these SUV twins, both SUVs are based on the Omega Arc architecture, which is derived from the Land Rover's D8 platform. Some of the safety features include ABS, ESP, all-wheel disc brakes, 6 airbags, hill hold control, hill descent control, ISOFIX 6 and etc. Rising rivalry in the SUV segment leads the manufacturers to do the possible marketing techniques to retain their position in the market. This results in addition of new features and other options to their cars. Also very soon the B segment SUV twins from Maruti and Toyota joint venture will also enter the Indian market. So it's a need for these Tata SUVs to get this rating. This will add a step closer to choose these SUVs for the prospective buyers. See you soon. Thanks for watching.